Just a quick overview of AutomateMyTask. You can learn more about it at the link above my head. To make it easier to understand how to use AutomateMyTask, you can enable or disable this tooltip. So I usually have them disabled because they get a little annoying when you're on stuff, but it's really handy to have to understand how to use the tool if you're not used to it, to understand what a certain feature does. So you can just enable and disable that. Also, this comment, this is what's going to get exported as kind of a label to help you remember what it was that the action that you're exporting does. So I highly recommend you try to remember to set this. We set it by default. If we're on like if I change this thing to an F2 and move this over here and move away, it's going to change it to an insert text. But of course, that's still very vague, right? We don't know what text you're inserting. If we go back to here and redo it, I'm going to hit that, hit F1, move. It's going to say mouse click. Maybe if I do a mouse move, it should understand that now it's a mouse. Oh, maybe we can change that to say mouse move, but you get the idea, right? We kind of try to help you, and this just shows up in the export. When you export it, that's where it's going to say up here, mouse click, and that comment, but that'll help you understand what it is after you've exported it.